Hi everybody, welcome to the Paper Wishes blog tour for April 17th. And today I have some really cute birthday cards to show you. This first one is a birthday card featuring the Birthday Circlet Mini Trifold. It's a really cute card, so easy to put together. It comes in sort of three parts. It reveals itself to you as you open each layer until you have the greeting in the back. So fun, and it was so easy to put together. Also featured on this card is the card greeting dazzle stickers from hot off the press, and this really cute birthday cupcake washi tape, and then of course this Bow Bunny double dot damask collection cardstock. The second card from the blog this week is this really cute alpaca card. This really sweet alpaca that I colored with Spectrum Noir pens. The card also features 10 tags and trims cutting die set from hot off the press. And once again, I used the Bow Bunny double dot damask cardstock. Really fun card to put together. So check out the blog. It's the April 17th, and we'll see you soon.